Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hek has claimed that many leaders in the state would join BJP post the Lok Sabha elections. Speaking to media persons, Hek said that if veteran leader Mukul Sangma wants to join the party, he is welcome to do so. Hek, who recently campaigned for the party in New Delhi, claimed that the BJP will secure over 400 seats. Hek also denied allegations that the party leadership did not put in effort during the campaigning period, stating that he himself was campaigning for the NPP in his constituency.
But if you want to join, we are welcome. This is not a BJP to arrange the logistic support. It is the party who contests election to arrange the support. Whether they are getting or not getting, that I have no idea at all. See, I have campaigned in my constituency. I have campaigned to other two constituencies also. That I have done my duty.